The jails across Jammu and Kashmir are also on a high alert right now. Several intelligence inputs are coming in that there could be a threat to the Srinagar Central Jail, Kot Balwal Jail, where a lot of high-profile terrorists and OGWs have been housed in these prisons. NIA has recently questioned 2 OGWs at least, and according to our sources, the DGCISF has met top security officials. Remember, it has to be a combined effort. There is a massive security grid in J&K, and at least 2 of these prisons, Srinagar Central Jail and the Kot Balwal Jail, and these are 2 where I can tell you that high-profile terrorists, OGWs have been housed for a while now. Therefore, it is likely that the security around these prisons will also be amped up. Could there be a terror strike at these prisons to be able to release the terrorists or the supporters of the terror groups that have been arrested and kept there for a while now, in fact, ever since 2019. Kamaljeet Sandhu is joining me for the latest on that. Kamaljeet, this is a very important factor coming in. We keep talking about arrests, detentions, or perhaps action against terrorists, but where they are housed could also have a certain attempt by the terrorists to strike. What are you picking up on this? How are the agencies ensuring that the strike will not be successful, if at all?
Well, one, the security has been beefed up in and around the jail, and specifically because this houses several of the Pakistan-aided terrorists. They are actually languishing in several jails. Earlier also, intelligence has pointed out how jails have been used by these terror networks to actually rehash their plan. So this is why it becomes extremely important and critical to ensure that there is safety as well as safety of civilians, but security of the jails. And with intelligence input pointing out about a possible terror threat to these particular jails. Remember, as far as 2018 was also concerned, Naveed Jatt, that a Hizbul Mujahideen commander who just fled soon after he came out of jail when he was produced in the SMHS hospital. So this is where there is an intelligence grid. Remember, the IGP has also taken a review of the meeting just about yesterday. The DGCISF is here in Kashmir Valley. There is obviously an input because remember all the central jails have been put under the CISF command. So they are beefing and reviewing the security as we speak. This is to ensure that there is no such plan by Pakistan-based agencies to disrupt any sort of peace or to ensure that any of these particular terrorists can manage to flee. And that is why both in Srinagar as well as Kot Balwal jail in Jammu, security has been tightened.
This is an important factor, remember. We talk about the arrests or the action against terrorists, but where they are housed also can be on the agenda, on the radar of the terrorists, and that's why there will be discussions and tightened security over that.